Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm changing out the headlights for a 2020 Buick Encore. Basically the reason I'm changing it out so I can have more light, and I don't like this yellow compared to the white light for the running lights. So I'm about to switch them out and show you how I want to do it. So the brand of bulb that I'm using is called Farah. These are the H11 bulbs, 6500K. They claim to be 300% brighter, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Got your instruction manuals, some zip ties, two-way tapes. I guess these are little rubber mounts. You can adjust these out. This is the actual bulb, so it is like a plug and play. You can see it. Oh, it also has an Allen wrench that's in here. So you can adjust the bulbs to make sure they're at 9 and 3 o'clock. Comes with a fan, 12,000 RPM fan. So now let me go ahead and install it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the driver's side first. I'm not sure how good you can see this. I want to try to remove the fuel panel top so I can get some more room, but as you can see here, it's your plug. You turn it counterclockwise. It's kind of hard. And pull it out. So here's a view of the bulb. So basically you want to unconnect it, turn it, and it should pop straight out. One thing I forgot to mention is when you're touching your bulbs, make sure you have some type of gloves on so your skin is not directly contacting the actual bulb. So I got the driver's side installed, so now let me show you. So that's a big difference compared to the stock bulbs. So the passenger bulb is the same. Over here is behind the air cleaner, the same way. Turn it counterclockwise. Pull it. So the job is done, and so far I'm liking the results. One thing I did to make it easier, I did remove the air box on this side and the fuel panel box on this side to give me some more clearance. So check out later on for some more night shots, and if these last and they work okay, I will be switching the high beams out to the same brand. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.